Uy, hindi siya napupunit. Seryoso, hindi siya napupunit. Medyo... Hi Mommy! This is Mommy Nikki and welcome to my channel. So for this video, I will be sharing with you an unboxing again, which is... So this one is the Cottontail baby tissue and bago lang to sa market. Actually, ngayon ko lang to nakita and ngayon, i-unbox natin siya. So it says here, Cottontail baby cotton tissue, 100 wipes. So isang ganito is 100 wipes. There. And then, you can get this from, okay. You can get this from, oh my gosh. Ang labo. Ilalagay ko na lang dito. So, it is, ang product name niya is Cottontail baby cotton tissue. Product features 100% cotton, free from any chemical agents, fragrance-free, durable, very absorbent, and soft to touch. And then, sabi dito, suitable for dry and wet application. So, dry muna siya and then, pwede mo siyang basain. Tapos, material niya is 100% cotton. Specifications, 100 sheets per 100 mm times 200 mm. Storage is store in cool and dry place. Tapos, maganda kasi meron pa siyang ano to? Manufacturing date. O, diba? 3 years from, ang shelf life niya is 3 years from the manufacturing date. So, ginawa to is 2019. So, most likely, 20 na ngayon. 20, 21, 22. So, hanggang 2019, 20, 21, 22. So, hanggang 2022 to ng October 2022. So, ito yung itsura niya. This is how it looks like. And meron tayong 4 na piraso na Cottontail. So, our product, Cottontail baby tissue, is made of 100% pure cotton and is ideal for use on your baby's sensitive skin, unlike traditionally packed wet wipes. These wipes are free of both chemicals and preservatives that cause redness, irritation, or diaper rash. Not only are the products perfect for babies, but they are also useful for other sanitary purposes. We would like to hear your thoughts on our product and answer your questions that you may have. Thank you very much for your attention. We look forward to hearing from you. So, ang Instagram nila is cottontailbaby.mnl and Facebook is Cottontail Baby. So, ilalagay ko na lang dyan sa baba yung Instagram and Facebook nila. From your Cottontail Baby family. So, thank you, Cottontail Baby family, for sending this over. Kadala kasi nila to. And, ito try natin. Open muna natin bago natin i-try bukas or mamaya. Kasi ano ng oras na ngayon? 5 AM. O, diba, nag-film pa ako. Talagang ratsyada. Si Mama. So, pag open mo, tada! When you open it, tada! Ang ganda nung packaging niya. So social. So, pag in-open mo, it looks like this. Tada! What isa? Wow! O, diba? Tapos may naka-ready agad na isa. And, let's test it. Uy, hindi siya napupunit. Seryoso, hindi siya napupunit. Medyo nasa-stretch ng konti, oo. Yan, pero matibay siya. Like, pwede mo siyang gamitin pantanggal ng, oh my gosh, pag nagtanggal ako ng makeup, pwedeng hindi na cotton pads. Pwedeng ito na. O, diba? I like that. Try ko mamaya. Pag nag-remove ako, ganun na lang. Para at least yung makeup, yung favorite makeup remover ko, pwede kong ilagay dito. And then, ganun din pwede yung gawin. Pwede yung gamitin to for your makeup, pag remove na makeup, or pwede rin naman for baby, or pwede rin pampunas, pero I prefer siguro sa skin na lang kasi sayang naman kung sa lapag mo lang or sa table mo lang ipupunas. Syempre ito is yun nga, so 100% cotton, so make sure na ang dadapuan lang nito ay talagang mga sensitive na mga areas like your face or your baby's face or your baby's bum and yung body niya. So ayun, I'm impressed kasi look, oh, diba? Wala. Ganyan. I love it. O, diba? Ganda! Pwede pa siyang, may option pa ako na dry lang. Or, pwedeng, pag gusto ko naman basain, pwede din, diba? So, good job, Cotton Babe. Cotton, nalilito lang ako sa pangalan niya. So, good job, Baby Cotton. Ano ba yan? Mali. So, good job, Cottontail Baby. Nalito pa talaga ako. Ay, ang haba kasi na name nila, Cottontail Baby. So, thank you, Cottontail Baby, for sending this over. And, I love it. Thank you. So, if you like this product, follow nyo sila on their Instagram and their Facebook page. Okay, so let's have a closer look. Ito siya, and bagong-bago lang siya. So, CottonBaby Tail yung name niya, and search mo sila sa Facebook or Instagram. And what I really like about this is hindi siya napupunat. Look, hihigitin ko siya with all my might, pero talagang hindi siya nasisira. And ang pwede kong gawin dito is, halimbawa, may natapon, tapos gusto ko pang kunin yung natapon na yun. Like, halimbawa, pang bubbles, ganyan, yun ang ginamitan ko. Na-absorb pa siya. So, pwede pa ulit i-reuse. Unlike yung mga wipes na talagang may lamang water, ito talagang plain na matibay na tissue. So, approve siya sa akin. And then, don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook page. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!